हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड से हमारा कोटक इमर्जिंग इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। इसकी रेटिंग है 4 स्टार। कोटक इमर्जिंग इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, रेटिंग 4 स्टार। NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 78.2570 रुपीज़। फंड की हाइलाइट्स। The current net asset value of the Kotak Emerging Equity Fund Direct Plan as of 25 October 2021 is rupees 78.2570 for growth option of its direct plan. Its trailing returns over different time period are 84.49% first year, 30.64% 3 years, 19.8% 5 years, and 22.4% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are 82.69% first year, 26.62% 3 years, and 16.8% 5 years. The Kotak Emerging Equity Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management worth of rupees 16,318.43 crore as on September 30, 2021. The expense ratio of the fund is 0.55 for the direct plan as on September 30, 2021. Expense ratio 0.55%. Kotak Emerging Equity Fund Direct Plan shall attract an exit load for the units is excess of 10% of the investment. 1% will be charged for redemption within 365 days. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 1,000. Expense ratio 0.55%. Things you should consider: riskometer, annualized return for the last 3 years 29.45%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Fund NAV range 1 month low high 77.439, 83.098. 52 week low high 45.468, 83.098. Asset allocation, investment growth. Asset allocation: equity 96.32, debt 0.00, others 3.68. Investment growth: enter investment amount rupees 1,000. Kotak Emerging Equity Fund. Equity, debt and others. Top 5 peer comparison. Kotak Emerging Equity Fund Direct Growth. First year return 70.03%, 3 years return 29.45%. About fund, Kotak Emerging Equity Fund Direct Plan is open-ended mid-cap equity scheme which belongs to Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund House. The fund was launched on 1st Jan 2013. Investment objective and benchmark, asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implications. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that the scheme seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation from a portfolio of equity and equity-related securities by investing predominantly in mid companies. It is a benchmark against Nifty Midcap 100 Total Returns Index. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. Asset allocation and portfolio composition. The asset allocation of the fund comprises around 96.32% in equities, 0.0% in debt, and 3.68% in cash and cash equivalents, while the top 10 equity holdings constitute around 32.27% of the assets. The top 3 sectors constitute around 43.77% from the assets. The fund primarily follow a blend-oriented style of investing and invests across market capitalization around 20.24% in giant and large cap companies, 74.84% in mid cap, and 4.92% in small cap companies. Tax implications. Gains are taxed at a rate of 15%, short-term capital gain tax STCG, if units are redeemed within 1 year of investment. For units redeemed after 1 year of investment, gains of up to rupees 1 lakhs acquiring from those units in a financial year shall be exempted for tax. Gains of more than rupees 1 lakh will be taxed at a rate of 10%. Long-term capital gain tax LTCG. Gains of more than rupees 1 lakh will be taxed at a rate of 10%. Long-term capital gain tax LTCG. For dividend distribution tax, the dividend income from this fund will get added to the income of an investor and tax according to his respective tax slabs. Also, for dividend income in excess of the rupees 5,000 in a financial year, the fund house shall deduct a TDS of 10% on such income. Okay. So guys, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है कोटक इमर्जिंग इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। इसकी रेटिंग है 4 स्टार, NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 78.2570 रुपीज़। ओके, सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।